Hey guys, this is HP LaserJet MFP M140WE. This printer is multifunctional printer. It's multi-task, 3-in-1. In the sense you can copy, scan, and print from this printer. What I want to do is to show you how to print document from this printer, scan document, and copy document from this printer. To print your document from your laptop to this printer, what you need to do is, first of all, you need to make sure the printer and laptop are connected to the same network via Wi-Fi network or connected using USB cable. This printer and laptop are connected via Wi-Fi network. Now, to print a document from your laptop to this printer, you need to go to wherever you save your document to print it out. Okay, so the document I want to print out is saved in the download section. Go to File Explorer. So select File Explorer from your computer. It will open up all the documents. Okay, then you select wherever you save the document. Open up this document. I want to print it out. Double click it, okay, to open it. Then from the laptop, you select Ctrl P or go on top and select the printer icon. This document is just one page. Okay, so you can select Ctrl plus P. It will give you options. Then you need to scroll and select the correct printer. HP LaserJet. Okay, you can select all the features, any other thing you want to do here. Okay, and select print. If you are printing double-sided, then you need to scroll down to select double-sided. But this document, it can only print double. We only have one page document here, so select print. Very quick. This is the document we printed out. Now, another way to print document from here is for you to go to HP Smart App. So this printer and laptop are connected via HP Smart Apps. Go to HP Smart App and select Print Documents. Select OK. Then go to wherever, go to Downloads. Then you select the document you want to print out. Okay. So PDF, open it up. And you scroll down and select all the features, A4 and portrait, and how many copies. Once you've done that, then you need to select print. This is the document you printed out. Very quick. Now, if you want to scan document from this printer to the laptop, what you need to do is you need to stick the document you want to scan on top of the glass scanner, face down, close it, then go to your laptop, HP Smart App, select scan. So you need to select scan. It will ask you about ignore auto scan. Then you will see these settings. So you need to scroll to the side and select glass scanner. If it's a printer that got ADF, then you need to make sure you scroll to the source and select. So glass scanner. Then advanced preset is document. If you are scanning photo, then you need to select photo. So from advanced preset, document, scan area, you need to select scan entire area. Okay, instead of selecting A4, so select and scan entire area. Then output. This printer, you can only scan black and white. So even if you scan color, it will stay printed out. So you need to scroll down and select gray. Now resolution, the maximum resolution is 600 dpi with laptop. If you are scanning with phone, it will show you 300 dpi. So with laptop, you can scan up to 600 dpi. You can also select preview for you to fetch this document. If you are happy with it, then you select scan. But I'm going to select scan straight. So now this document is scanning. Okay, and this the document will scan. If you want to scan the second one, you can see it here. If you want to scan the second one, stick the document you want to scan, face down, close it, and select plus on top. You will see scribble, select add. The same thing again, so select entire area and select scan. And this is the document we scanned. Okay, this document now, if you want to print it out, if you are not happy with it, then you select the three dots on top for you to delete it. If you are not happy with it, then you select the three dots here. If you want to, then next thing you need to do, you need to select save. From the button you say print, save, share, shortcut, and fast. So select save. Then you need to select basic PDF. Select save. You also need to go to wherever, select the file where you want to save this document. So downloads, select save, and now your file has been saved. Now this document is saved in this computer. If you want to print it out, you select print from the button. And make sure you select the correct printer. And this page, this document is 2 pages, so I want us to print this double-sided. So you scroll down, select portrait, 1 photo per page or multiple photo per page. Scroll down for more options. Print on both sides, long edge. Okay, and select OK. Then select print. Now with this, you need to take the, now I can see it printed it out. It will tell you the first side of the document is printing. When printing is complete, reinsert other side page into the input tray as shown below. So what you need to do is you need to make sure, okay, you put this information need to be at the bottom. Okay, then the next thing you need to do is you need to select copy. Once inside the paper, then you select copy for you to print the second page. Here we go. You can see we printed this on both sides, long edge. So this is how to do this. If you want to copy document from this printer, open up the scanner and stick the document you want to copy on the glass scanner. Then the next thing you need to do, you need to select copy, then use up to select how many. Once you select copy, see the document is copying. Here we go. Copy this one. If you want to copy it twice, 2 pages, you need to select use up to select how many copies. You can see it's going up to 4. Then once you select use up and down to select number of copies, then you select copy, it will copy this 2. There we go. Brilliant stuff. This is very quick and fast. Thank you very much indeed, guys. This is how to print document, scan document, likewise also copy with HP LaserJet MFP M140WE. Thank you and stay blessed. Thank you.